In this video I built a heavy torsion box for my 1.50 m by 1.50 m or 4x4 foot CNC, and it's built to be absolutely rigid. So this is where we stopped last week, and I realized I didn't really explain what I'm trying to build here. So this is the mounting plate where the CNC will be mounted on, and these beams are there to mount the wheels to. So they're not really structural for the rest. The structural part which makes this base rigid is some kind of a torsion box. So let's move on building that. I need 2 more beams for the wheels, so here I'm cutting the slats to length. Per beam, 2 slats will be glued and screwed together, which I'm doing right now. The beams need space in the grid, so I'm making the cutouts for them. A quick check if the beams will fit as planned. And it looks like they do. Next job is to drill the holes to mount the lifting hook to the torsion box. I'm roughing the surface so the construction glue will have something to bond to. Now, my far from perfect welding has left me with a slight angle on this side here. So let's make a filler piece for that. I had to wait for 4 hours because I couldn't get to the main fuses. First order of business of the day is to copy the holes from the top to the bottom plate. Yep, more drilling. Try my best to keep the workshop tidy and clean. It gets clogged up so fast otherwise.
Now all the pieces for the internal grid are cut to size. I'm assembling the grid first. I use glue and screws for this. After the grid is assembled, the outer frame is connected to it, again using glue and screws. To bond the top plate and the grid together, I use high-strength construction glue and, you guessed it, screws. Now the grid is turned over and aligned with the markings. I secure it just enough to be able to turn the whole contraption, to then screw the whole thing down. The construction is now already very rigid. The bottom plate is being mounted. The extreme rigidity of the torsion box mostly comes from the top and bottom skin. These take tension and compression. The distance between the skins is kept by the internal grid. This distance massively increases stiffness. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like. I'm not sure if I'll have one next week since I'm going to Barcelona for work, but maybe I can still get something done. See you next time. Bye.